What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera to give you a review of 𝗖cie. And 𝗖cie is another traffic source that I use to get traffic to my business, and you also can get traffic as well. And 𝗖cie is basically it's a social media platform. It's sort of like Facebook in a marketing type of way. And a lot of marketers get on this platform just to engage with each other and, share ideas, share opportunities. And one way you can do that is by connecting. And you connect with these people that be on here daily. Same amount of people that's getting traffic just as well as you are. And, everyone is promoting their ideas, promoting their business or whatever they, have to offer. And lots of people on here, they take a knowledge to that and they connect. So that's what 𝗖cie brings to you. And, I've been using 𝗖cie for a little bit, over a month now. I pretty much like the way everything's set up. You could be able to receive and you could earn credits just by viewing other people's opportunities, and it's just like another traffic exchange as well. And this is one of the traffic exchanges that I use, besides the ones that I already been a part of. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you here in the back office what features that 𝗖cie have. And yeah, it's very very unique in how everything is all set up and how everything is designed. You also can earn commissions with this just by being active. Just connecting with people, having people follow you. There's points rotators. There's link rotators as well. But they have a traffic plan. And this traffic plan, 𝗖cie plan, they show you different ways that you can get paid. And they got other affiliate sites that's connected with 𝗖cie. And this is just another way that you can get traffic for a downline. You could take this company and it could go straight to these other ones like Traffic Swarm, 𝗖cie když, Traffic Splash. It also got, and I say this in my previous videos, it also connects with Traffic Ad Bar. So these are different traffic sites that you can connect 𝗖cie to. It's two different ways you can be able to post. Now, they got these type of posts that other marketers or other people that's inside of this program that's a part of 𝗖cie, they get to see your opportunity. And if they would like to connect with you, they'll definitely connect with you through your whatever you promoting, or just by conversation of engagement. Like I said before, this is like Facebook marketing. This is like Facebook in the marketer's space, if I would say. So you got a way of doing that. They have how many times your link was rotated. This is where when you click on promote, post or promote, this is where you can get people with 𝗖cie. If you promote this link, you could get credits just by people seeing this link, and you could use this link to be posted in other traffic exchanges. So that's what you want to do if you want to get more credits, added. And this is the post rotator. This is coming automatically when you look at other people's opportunities, and you could use these to post. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna resume. I got some of these posts paused. This is something that I had post on my feed, and it got one of my affiliate opportunities. And whenever someone connects with me, they go click on that, and I can have people join my businesses of other businesses that I promote just by them viewing my post. And that's something that's very credible. You also have ads, text ads that you could promote, and you can use these ads. You could buy credits to get these ads to post throughout the network. So you want to make sure you do that. So 𝗖cie is a business in a box, I should say. And this is, helping me to get, daily traffic. And this is not the only traffic exchange that I use. I use a number of traffic exchanges just to get a maximum amount of traffic to my website. But this is very helpful, and it's a lot of Cash Juice is something that you could connect to other businesses. And you can check this out if you like to get started with Cash Juice. The link in the description will be below. Make sure you check this out. And if this video done some good to you, make sure you hit that like and subscribe to this channel for more videos, upcoming tips and tricks of way I market. And also I can train you and teach you how to also market some of the different strategies that I use. Alright, and also you can connect to me on social media if you also have questions. So I wanted just to show you the capabilities of Cash Juice and how you can really use it. You can use these on, numbers of traffic exchanges. Just taking the Cash Juice affiliate link, and you can put it in, like I use traffic ad bar. You will see that and above this video if you hadn't already. But yeah, this is something that's very, very, we just wanted to show you, other opportunities of traffic exchange. So this is 00 with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.